What is up, everyone? I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today's video is going to be a very special one for two reasons. One, it is a giveaway video, and two, we get to play with the RawBeautyKristi Pure Cosmetic Duality palette. Now, I'm not going to go too much into the actual palette because there's so many more reviews out there, and you guys seen it all. I mean, you really have. If you haven't, well, now I feel bad for not doing one, but we're not. That's not what this one's going to be. What this one's going to be is we are recreating Breyonnafaye's makeup tutorial that she did using this lovely palette. So, if you guys are excited to get into this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I like doing that. And good luck to those who do enter the giveaway.
And here is the colorful side. So as you can see, there is a bunch of color in here. There's this matte white as well as a shimmer in the center. But I think today I want to try and use as many colors as possible. So the first shade that we are going to be going in with is this really bright electric pink in the palette called Side Effect. But I'm just going to be applying this in my crease in the inner third of my eye. So once you have that pink applied, the next shade that we are going to be using is this really bright purple called Tribute.
Hold on, girl.
And I'm just going to be taking that on this Lexi, what are you, a 205 tapered blending brush? And I'm going to be applying it to the center third of my crease. So right next to that pink. I'm making sure that I'm really pressing it into that crease as well because I do want it slightly defined. And then afterwards, again, I'm just going to do these little circular motions to blend it upwards towards my brow. The pink with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going right between that purple and the pink, right on that harsh line, and doing these little tiny circular motions. Really curious about this dark blue right here called Purple. I'm just going to be taking it in the outer third of my crease using the Sigma E38. Look at that. And then once I have it applied, I'm just doing these like little circular motions, kind of buff it into that purple as well as outwards. And I'm also kind of taking a little bit more on my brush and layering it right between that purple and that blue, just to help kind of blend the two together a little bit better. I'm also going to be packing this shade in the outer third of my lid. I'm kind of like rounding out this outer V. I'm also going to kind of like layer up this shade in my crease just to see if we can get a little bit more definition with it. Out a little bit too far, so they're kind of looking a little rough and chunky. So I'm going to go in with this matte white out of the palette, and it is called Lumos, and I'm going to be using this Sigma E20. And what I'm going to do is first initially apply this matte white right underneath my brow bone, and I'm kind of like pressing it in, and then I'm doing these little back and forth motions going right on that line right underneath my brow. So you can see I'm going right between that color and my brow. But off camera though, I'm just going to quickly cut my crease. I'm just going to do like a normal cut crease, and then afterwards I'll be right back to finish up the lid. So you can see we have this harsh line right here, and we need to get rid of that. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of that deep called Hurtful, and I'm just going to be taking it on this lavish little shader brush. I'm packing it right on that brush line. Like I am really like pressing the shadow in. And then afterwards with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just flicking it in. This will help blend everything in a minute. So I've got that outer edge all nice and blended out. Now we're going to start working on the lid. And I first want to go in with, going to be dipping into the shimmer in the palette called Cafe Disco. And using a different flat shader brush, and I'm going to be packing this anywhere that that base is still showing. And oh my gosh, like that is so shimmery. But off camera though, I'm just going to quickly clean things up a little bit and also going to apply my complexion products, my liner, my lashes, and then I'll be right back to finish up the look.
So, I'm going to do what she did. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. Alright, so the secret emoji that you need to use to enter the giveaway is a purple heart.
Now we're going to start working on the lower lash line, and I'm first going to go in with that blue shade that we used earlier on this lavish little shading brush that we used in the outer third. And when I'm applying it, I'm doing back and forth motions. And then using this teeny tiny little Profusion Water U and ES6 brush, I'm just going to be applying the purple in the center third. And then using this teeny tiny little Morphe blending brush, I'm just going to be applying that bright pink to the inner third. And again, I'm slightly overlapping it with that purple. I just realized I forgot to put my septum ring back down after doing my complexion products.
You know, it's funny because I didn't have my nose ring in.
But now we're going to be doing my absolute favorite part, which is the inner corner highlight. And I'm just going to be going back in with that shimmer shade in the palette called Cafe Disco. And I'm just going to be taking it on this Beach Cosmetics number 10 brush out of the Lavender Luxe set. And I'm also slightly overlapping it with the pink underneath the lower lash line.
That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell. I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you made it this far, we have 3. Well, yeah, I do have 3. We're not going to talk about that right now because that's a different video. But anyways, 3 lucky winners are going to win one of these palettes. All you have to do to enter is that secret emoji that I gave in the middle of the video somewhere. You didn't catch it? Better go find it. If not, you're not going to be entered. So, to be entered into this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel, be subscribed to Yadi Beauty's channel, and Beauty and the Frizz's YouTube channel, as well as follow us on Instagram, because the way that you are going to enter is not only you are going to be subscribed to all 3 of us, give all 3 of us a like, comment down below with that secret emoji, and then you're going to go on Instagram, direct message me letting me know that it's all done and everything, and then you will be entered into the giveaway, and you will have 3 chances, since there's 1 winner on my channel, 1 winner on Yadi's, and 1 winner on Beauty and the Frizz's. So good luck to you guys. I hope y'all do fantastic and 3 lucky winners win, because this palette was not fun to get. I love you guys. I will see you on Tuesday. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy, and good luck to those winners that do. And what do I say? So much for these magnetic lashes. They're not staying on. I don't know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This what? Second, stay till the end, and then you'll hear the rest to enter the